Hello again, mabuhay, and welcome back to Alandrino's YouTube channel. Today we're going to make an extra large coconut macaroon, so stay tuned. But before we begin, I'd like to know what you think, so please leave the comment for this video. And again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell notifications button to be informed of newly uploaded videos. So this is our very simple and short and easily accessible ingredients list. Some notes that you should take into consideration. The butter should be softened at room temperature. Do not melt it because we need to make it into a cream using our electric mixer, and we don't want it to be in liquid form. The sugar can be white sugar. The condensed milk can just be the regular sized canned condensed milk that is available at your supermarkets or grocery stores. And the desiccated coconut is available, I think, everywhere, supermarkets, grocery stores, and particularly the Asian and Chinese stores. They also have this desiccated coconut. So why an extra large coconut macaroons? Well, it's pretty simple. One is I want to give people the freedom to get as much desserts as they want. And the second reason is why not, right? So for this recipe, we have four simple processes. One is combine the wet ingredients. Second is combine the dry ingredients. Third step is to combine both of them. And the fourth step is to bake our coconut macaroon. So at this stage, before you add the rest of the dry ingredients, I suggest that you preheat your oven to 250 degrees Celsius to prepare it for the baking part. So guys, this is our finished product, a very delicious and pretty to look at extra large coconut macaroon. This is perfect with coffee and tea, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you would also try this recipe at home. Again, this is a short recap list of our ingredients for this extra large coconut macaroon recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notifications button to be notified of newly uploaded videos, and please, your comments, suggestions, even violent reactions are very important to me, so please leave all of them at the comment section below this video. Thank you very much, and mabuhay po kayo.